On the project we have a total of 769 apartments with ground floor amenity spaces and retail spaces. We've been working on this project with GSI and Nullifier, looking after the passive fire stopping details.
GSI were engaged by Sisk in sort of early 2022 with the NEO2, NEO3 scheme. The aim was to achieve tested details or use tested details across the project. The first thing that we were asked to do was to help get a particular damper detail across the line, and this is because it was a three-sided damper. Very little testing out there in the market with it, so Actionair had put forward a damper that they wanted to take to test. We got involved together with Nullifier. This was tested at Bree in Watford in a three-sided opening, and we used Nullifier's FJ400 together with their Intubat to achieve a 2-hour fire rating. And once that was done, that damper was used in all these apartments. The main products we've used on this scheme have been the Nullifire Intubat 2, FP750, the Nullifire FS702 Intumastic, FS709, the HP Mastic, the service sleeves, the FP220 on the 110mm diameter pipes, particularly to achieve the fire rating on back of house areas. FJ400, and that's been used in two different sizes, the 56x50 and the 28x25, which is what was used on the dampers, because the deflection here is circa 10mm movement, and space was quite restricted with the opening sizes to achieve the ceiling heights. So that was the size of the inch span. We used their strap, FP302 inch strap, and the mortar compound, FR230. So I think that was the bulk of the main products deployed across the project. The aim was, at that stage, was to try and get a particular detail signed off for the key elements of the project. So that being apartment letterboxes, party walls, mechanical risers. And so Nullifier's technical team were brought on board to help us sort of get this detailed up and spec'd up so it met spacings requirements and what had been tested, what would need technical evaluation and putting together as a potential engineering judgment for the project fire engineer to sign off. And yeah, it's been a great project, to be honest. We've thoroughly enjoyed working with Sisk, who are the main contractor, Quintain, who's the client, and as a whole, I think as a business at GSI, we've learned a lot about what's available out there in the market, what we can and cannot do to achieve tested details. Our knowledge has increased, and I think Nullifire have played a great part in that, in coming along on that journey and sort of bringing us along with them, and we've sort of achieved it together. We're aware Nullifier will be launching a new product, possibly in the second quarter of this year. The FZ400. We saw this when they took it to test over at Christmas, and it's a fantastic product. I mean, as a business, we will definitely put this forward because it makes it extremely easy to use, reduces labor time on getting letterboxes completed, but also where services are congested and tricky installations. This is a fantastic product to be able to use. It's all in one, basically. So yeah, absolutely something we will definitely look forward to using on our new projects.